My name is Ega Priscilla Putri.
My name is Wajra Edison Sitorus.
My name is Anastasia Mariskayo.
My name is Puspita Tandra Smurti.
We are from Tempe. Our title is How to
Make
an Aloe Vera Handmade Soap.
So, from the title, we know that the aim of this experiment is to find out how to make handmade aloe vera soap properly and correctly.
Currently, the issues of environmental conservation has been widely recognized by most Indonesian people. Environmental damage caused by the use of chemicals is increasingly being studied in more depth by experts. Maliga et al. In 2022 conducted research on the impact of greywater or domestic wastewater from household activities such as washing, cooking, and bathing, which is directly disposed of without processing, will have several impacts on the soil. The impacts cause are contamination of the soil surface and damage to soil quality and even pollution of water in the home environment. From these studies, the idea emerged to increase green consumers and green policies, which led to the emergence of many products that reduce the use of synthetic chemicals or what are called environmentally friendly products. All of them is the emergence of many soap products with environmentally friendly claims. Therefore, we develop aloe vera soap made from natural materials that are not harmful to the body and are not harmful to the environment by utilizing the principles of green chemistry.
Okay, so now let's move to the formulation of the problem. First is what content in aloe vera can provide benefits to the body and the environment. The second, how to make a good handmade aloe vera soap. And the last is what is the impact of aloe vera soap on the body and the environment. Now we'll move to the hypothesis. In our opinion, aloe vera soap provides many benefits for the body and the environment because it has many ingredients that are good for living things. Dr. Kahar 2020 from Hasanuddin University emphasized the benefits of aloe vera, which is rich in amino acids, enzymes, and vitamins. The ingredients help clean the skin and do not cause serious effects on the environment. Making this aloe vera soap use natural ingredients, namely aloe vera, which is easy to obtain. But on the one hand, it also uses chemicals, namely caustic soda, which must be purchased at a chemical shop. There are quite a lot of steps to making it, but it is still possible to do it at home. The impact that aloe vera soap has because it comes from a natural ingredients also certainly does not cause excessive negative impacts on the body and the environment because of the ingredients that have been explained previously. So, from the formulation of the problem and the hypothesis, we can know that the aim is first, find out what aloe vera contains, which can provide benefits to the body and the environment. The second, know how to make a good aloe vera handmade soap. And the third is find out the impact of aloe vera soap on the body and the environment. Now we'll move to the research variables. First, fixed variable is the type of aloe vera being used. Second, independent variables are texture, smell, and the color of the soap produced. And the third is dependent variable are coconut oil and caustic soda.
Next, there are materials and ingredients. Material number 1, cutting board. Number 2, knife. Number 3, container. Number 4, bowl. Number 5, mixer. And number 6, mold. And number 7, wooden spatula. And ingredients is number 1, aloe vera. Number 2, sodium hydrochloride. And number 3, coconut oil.
First, cut the aloe vera from which the sap has been removed.
Second, take the aloe vera flesh, then wash the flesh with clean water.
Third, blend the aloe vera flesh until smooth and wait until the foam from the blender disappears.
Put the liquid into the mold and put in the refrigerator until frozen.
Next is once the liquid is frozen, transfer it to a bowl and add sodium hydroxide.
Next, pound the mixture until smooth and change color to brown. During pounding, sodium hydroxide can be added periodically.
Next, a mixture of finely ground aloe vera and sodium hydroxide is added with coconut oil.
Then put the mixture into a container.
Next, put it in the refrigerator and let it freeze.
Next, remove the hardened soap from the mold. So this is our products, and now I will explain what is the relationship between our soaps and green chemistry and sustainable of development 2030. So the soap we make from aloe vera use several green chemistry principles. As we know, soap with chemicals can pollute water. So we use aloe vera for our soap because aloe vera is renewable natural ingredient and use synthetic ingredients that are minimally harmful, namely sodium hydroxide. This product is also often used for beauty products. This soap also uses the principle of atom economy because it uses economical materials. The green chemistry principles that we use in our product are waste prevention, atom economy, designing safe chemical process, using renewable raw materials, designing biodegradable products, and minimizing the transfer of hazardous materials. Now I will explain what is Development 2030 and its relationship to our products. Sustainable Development 2030 is a global and national commitment that includes 70 goals and 169 achievements. To be able to meet the 2030 global targets declared by both developed and developing countries at the UN General Assembly in September 2015 and aiming to end poverty, reduce gap, and protect the environment without exception. Our products cover the 5 Sustainable Development Goals, the 6th goal of affordable and clean energy, the 9 goals is industrial innovation and infrastructure, goals 12 is responsible consumption and production, goals 14 is ocean ecosystem, and finally goals 15 is mainland ecosystem.
Now I want to explain about our reflection. Making soap from aloe vera reflects concern for the environment because it uses natural ingredients that are environmentally friendly and biodegradable. This product also supports sustainable development by prioritizing the sustainability of natural resources. By using local ingredients such as aloe vera, we not only reduce dependence on chemical products, but encourage more responsible resource management. Working on soap from aloe vera as a group involves close collaboration between team members, where each individual has specific role, such as data collection, raw materials, formulation, all of which are based on communication with each other. Making soap from aloe vera shows appreciation for God's creation by wisely utilizing natural resources. The natural ingredients used, such as aloe vera and vegetable oils, reflect gratitude for nature's abundant gift. This process emphasizes the importance of maintaining ecosystem balance by reducing the use of materials that damage the environment. Based on the results of product analysis, aloe vera soap has real benefit, such as gentleness on the skin and minimal risk of irritation.
Our video.